وأذن في الناس بالحج يأتوك رجالا وعلى كل ضامر يأتين من كل فج عميق.
This is the first thing should come to your head, and you should know this is the only way. And that's why many people want to be a good Muslims, but they can't. They say, and this is a common question, how I become near from Allah? So the Sheikh says, you should pray and you should do and give a charity with Quran. So he did all of that, but he don't feel that he is near. You will be near when you leave. You leave what? Everything. And what I take, when you go to, Allah describes the dunya ata' al-ghurur. When you go to travel, what you take with you? You take your house, your car, or you take the very necessity things. So this is life. Do not take from your life more than the things that you need to go to Allah. When you go to a pilgrimage, look to your bag. This is what you need from your life. When she knows that she go to Morocco, or anyone, I'm not speaking about a specific person, when you know that you will go to your family, the people that you like, you will be very excited, and you prepare and you begin to bring some gifts and to bring some, I want to, when I go to them, to make them happy and to enjoy the time with them. And imagine that you will make that to visit Allah Azza wa Jal. Subhanallah, the name of Baytullah, of the house Baytullah al-Haram, this name do not come for by chance. It came for a reason. That there you will find Allah, because this is his house. The clothes, okay? And try during all of this class to understand, because everything is written. I can send to you many PDFs and many things about Hajj. So do not bother yourself with memorizing this. Just understand. If you understand, you will be very satisfied when you are there. Actually, if you do not understand, you will feel very stressed, because you want to apply everything, and everything will come to your mind like that. So just feel relaxed and understand, and everything inshallah will be easy. So for ihram, as I said, the clothes that the men and women wear, this is the only difference. Anything else is the same for men and women. Like what? Do not put perfume. Do not cut your hair. Do not comb your hair. Let it like that. Okay, comb it before you entering this state.
Ijaza.com, where no true desire to learn the Quran is left behind.